Take in a nice deep breath, feeling the air flow into your body, your stomach rising. And as you exhale, your belly falling, all of the air exiting you, helping you relax, bringing you into this moment. Taking in another deep breath and exhaling nice and slow, allowing your eyes to close, keeping them closed for the rest of this recording. Breathing in, breathing out, each breath relaxing you more and more. Each exhale releasing any stress, any tension, any unwanted thoughts. Continuing to listen to the sound of my voice, allowing your conscious mind to take a break as I speak to your subconscious, as we amplify your feminine energy, breathing in, breathing out. Now imagine that you are somewhere out in nature, your favorite place in nature will be just fine. Notice the nature around you, the sounds around you, and the sun above you. It's your favorite temperature out. And as the sun shines upon you, it relaxes you more and more. The warmth of the sun is so relaxing, soothing, supportive. So you find an amazing place in nature to sit down, to relax. Perhaps you find a bench, a chair, or maybe there's a wonderful tree to sit against. Whatever you find is just fine. And as the sun's warmth begins to relax you from the top of your head, the relaxation flows all the way down to the tips of your toes. And it feels so good to relax. And each breath helps you relax more and more, taking you to a deeper level of relaxation. Breathing in, breathing out, noticing that if any part of your body is resisting the relaxation, just allow the sun's warmth to give that part, that muscle, those cells more attention, softening your muscles, relaxing you deeply. And in just a moment, I'm going to begin to count down. With each number, your level of relaxation will double. Want that to happen. Allow that to happen. 5, sinking deeper and deeper down. 4, feeling so calm, so relaxed. 3, it feels so good to relax, so peaceful, so nice. 2, relaxing more and more deeply, completely relaxed. Now, as you pay attention to the scenery around you, all this nature, the beauty, the strength, the delight, the creativity, it reminds you of who you are. Nature helps you remember who you are and gives you the permission to stop living your life to please others. And instead, you get to live life for you. You get to live your life in a way that is pleasing to you. And this means you have permission to be proud of your feminine energy, because you understand to your soul that feminine energy is a gift, a delight, an incredible, powerful, compassionate, loving energy. And so it's okay. The sun whispers to you that you now have permission to spend time doing what you truly enjoy, and let the joy, bliss, and gratitude flow through you, to vibrate through you, expanding your incredible feminine energy, allowing it to enhance your life and to enhance your relationship with yourself and those around you, your personal life, your professional life, and everything about you. The wind whispers to you to release the rules that keep you stuck, hidden, small, invisible. That it's time to embrace yourself, to love who you are, to like who you are, to let your feminine energy have a starring role in your life, to be the energy that guides you, that you trust, that flows in such a beautiful balance with all the other energy in your life. The birds around you whisper to you that it's okay for you to express yourself, to speak your mind, share your ideas, thoughts, opinions, so that you give others the opportunity to see you, to hear you, to understand you, to be in the presence of your incredible, magnifying, manifesting energy. The butterflies whisper to let creativity flow through you. That it's okay to dance, to play, to laugh, reminding you that you are magic on legs and love in constant motion. Life is for you. It delights in you. It is yours to have, to enjoy, to create, to be, to remember who you are. Your higher self whispers to you to trust yourself deeply and completely. And you agree. You agree to trust yourself deeply and completely, to follow your intuition, even when others, including your ego, disagree. Reminding you that you have all of the resources, all of the strength, the wisdom, and the guidance within you. In feminine energy, your amplified feminine energy is activated, is guiding you, is loud enough for you to hear, to connect to welcome into your life. For she is the star. She leads you. and you accept her guidance. The goddess within you reminds you get to grow, evolve, and expand over your lifetime. And there is so much power, purpose, and love within you. Give it light and receive all the good, all the blessings, all the love and gifts that are coming to you. They are yours to have. Now feel this energy flowing through you. Give it a color if you'd like. What color is your feminine energy? It can be any color you choose. Any color that speaks to you is just right. Let this energy flow through you. See it. Acknowledge it. Give it permission to live, to shine, to guide. And now imagine you can amplify that energy even more. You can make it bigger, more intense, louder, brighter, clearer. You can see the softness, the gentleness, and the strength, the power, the creativity within your feminine energy. And this is beautiful. It's magnificent, just like you. This incredible energy is a part of you. She lives there within you, and you can amplify it. And notice the benefits this amazing energy brings to your life, and to those you love, and to the strangers you meet. It's such a beautiful energy, and it is yours. And you have amplified it, and you can amplify your feminine energy whenever you want to, with a decision to do so. And that's a wonderful thing. So go ahead and take a moment, feeling your feminine energy. Observe it, watch it, give it the permission, invite it to be amplified, to amplify your life. Spend a moment in gratitude and admiration for your most incredible feminine energy. Very well. Now in a moment, I will bring you back from this experience, remembering who you are and that your feminine energy flows through you at all times. Even when it flows in and out of other energy, this energy, your feminine energy, lives within you and can be amplified, activated, invited to play at any moment. 1. Feeling returning to your fingers and toes. 2. All energies in complete balance. 3. Knowing that you are so proud of your feminine energy. She is beautiful and strong and gentle and powerful, and is worthy of living a life fulfilled. 4. Feeling as if your eyes have been bathed in cool, clear water. 5. Eyes open, fully awake, refreshed, re-energized, feeling amplified and ready for delight, bliss, remembering that you matter, you're enough, and you have 100% permission to be proud of your feminine energy. This is Steph. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it. And if you haven't yet, please remember to subscribe so that we can go on more journeys together. I'm sending you endless love. Until next time.